This is how you can report spam email on Gmail. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Open your Gmail account. Select the email you want to report as spam. Select the email. Let me select this. This is the email. Assuming I want to report this as spam, I will simply click on the three dots here. You can see report spam. Simply click on this and it will be reported. Click on report spam and it is reported. You can undo it if you so wish. This is how you can report spam on Gmail. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.